Hi, I'm Chelsea Mills with the Nebraska Department of Agriculture. I'm an Agriculture Inspection Specialist for the Commercial Feed Program. Today we're at the Nebraska State Lab where we're dropping off the commercial feed samples that I've collected and will be tested for nutritional analysis here at the Nebraska State Laboratories. So one of our main duties is to inspect commercial warehouses, and that could be your box stores all the way down to your co-op stores. We go in and we take a look to make sure that the facility is clean, that there isn't a rodent or bird issue, make sure there's no insects that are eating on the feed products. And then we talk with the owners to make sure they know the proper procedure for bringing in food and how to store it, make sure that they're switching out lot numbers, keeping up on those types of things. And then that's where we're going to pull our samples from. So in order to collect feed samples, we go to commercial warehouses in the state of Nebraska. Anybody that carries animal food products, including pet food, we go in and we pull samples. So we go in, we take a look at what feed products they have, we check the lot number, make sure we have all of the same lot number, and then we collect 10 samples from that lot. We put it into a 1 to 2 pound sample, we seal it up, put our labels on it, we have a chain of custody, and then we bring it here to Nebraska State Laboratories to be tested for nutritional analysis. They also do some medication testing and residue testing as well with that sample. One of our other duties as an Agriculture Inspection Specialist for the Nebraska Department of Agriculture is to be a liaison between the FDA and the consumers in Nebraska. And that is a very rewarding part of our job because we can work one-on-one with the consumer and relay information from the federal government to them.